When we think of millionaires, we often picture extreme hustle, perfect morning routines, and high-risk investments.
But the real secrets to building wealth are much simpler.
In fact, most people completely ignore them because they look too boring.
Today, we are going to look at 3 hidden habits that actually make people wealthy, step by step. The first habit is trading money to buy back time. Most of us are taught to save every single penny.
We spend hours comparing prices online, fixing our own plumbing, or driving across town to save $5 on groceries. Millionaires do the exact opposite.
They realize that money is a renewable resource, but time is not.
They gladly pay other people to handle tasks like cleaning, grocery shopping, or basic admin work.
This is not about being lazy.
It is about freeing up their mental energy. By outsourcing low-value tasks, they create the space to focus on high-value projects that actually grow their income. If you want to build wealth, stop asking how much money you can save. Start asking how much time you can buy. The second habit is protecting attention, not just time. It is very easy to fill your day with meetings and tasks. We often confuse being busy with being productive. But millionaires know that busyness is a trap. They aggressively say no to almost everything. They turn down decent business deals, casual social invitations, and minor projects. Why? Because saying yes to a good opportunity prevents you from saying yes to a truly great one. They keep their schedules surprisingly empty. This gives them the quiet space to think deeply, spot major trends, and make high-impact decisions. True wealth does not come from a packed to-do list. It comes from intense focus on a few key things. The third habit is looking for asymmetric risks. This sounds complicated, but the concept is very simple. An asymmetric risk is a bet where the downside is tiny, but the potential upside is massive. Most people avoid risk altogether because they are afraid of failing. When they do take risks, they often bet too much and lose everything. Millionaires look for situations where they can only lose a small amount of time or money, but could win big. This could be launching a basic website, testing a new service on the weekend, or sending a cold email to a potential mentor. If it fails, they only lose a weekend or $100. But if it succeeds, it can change their entire career. They're willing to fail often because they know they only need to win once. Building wealth is not about doing 1,000 things right. It is about doing a few crucial things consistently. Start by valuing your time, clearing your calendar, and looking for small, smart risks. Which of these 3 habits can you start practicing today?